Company of nature is crucial. It is a spiritual requirement because when we are in nature, we see lots of transitions, like flowers fresh in morning wilting by evening, leaves once are strongly attached to branches, leaving it effortlessly in the season of fall. Same sun calling someday brighter and someday darker, with clouds floating in the sky. Wind plucking someday premature produce of trees, and any other day helping them grow healthy. These transitions and other unconsciously help us draw nature-like response to transitions in our own lives.